Welcome back to Rachel Be the Healthy Wee. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple 2-ingredient berry jam. And let's get started. So as I said, there's 2 simple ingredients. There are a few optional ingredients if you'd like. Optionally, you can do a splash of lemon to bring out the blueberry flavor. And you can also add a little bit of sweetener if your berries happen to be a little tart or you just want a nice sweet jam. Otherwise, we're just using chia seed and blueberries. I used frozen blueberries, which was 3 cups frozen, and now that it's thawed, it's approximately 2 cups. So today I'm going to go ahead and mine our little tart. So I'm going to use my sweetener. We're going to add in the chia seed, and then we're simply going to blend that together. Now this can be done in a regular blender. However, today I'm going to go ahead and use my immersion blender. But that's up to you, however you want to do it. Let's get this blended down and I'll show you the end result. Now that we've blended that down, we've went ahead and poured it into a second container. And as you can see, it's still a little liquidy, and that's pretty common. Just like when you make chia pudding, the chia needs the opportunity to go ahead and absorb the moisture to cause that thickening in the jam. So I'll go ahead and put this away, but you can see here, that's what you're left with. Fairly thick from the get-go, but again, it will thicken to a spreadable jam, and I'll show you that in a little bit. All right, as promised, a couple hours later, and we have a much thicker jam that you can use on toast, peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. You can use it on yogurt when you're making danishes. If you'd like it even thicker, feel free to add a little bit more chia seed, and that'll give you that thickness that you're looking for. I hope you give this recipe a try. You can certainly do it with strawberries or many other berries, not just blueberries. I hope you enjoy, and thanks for watching.